guys ready to be wowed? Like unbelievable. This is the room that we have for the Venetian, our first stop on our return to Vegas trip. I love the lions. Oh my gosh, I love them. Let's blow you away when you see this suite. Not a room, it's a suite, baby. We're gonna sneak into the bathroom. So, place for the makeup and make sure you're all pretty and nice. Look at the tub and the glass shower. Like, how amazing is that? And, ooh, I bet, yep, you'll be able to reach the temperature and turning it on without really getting too wet. So that's awesome. Gold fixtures. Beautiful, hello me. The phone by the potty. Very nice, little powder room. Okay. Mirrors everywhere. Amazing, yeah, two queen. For the nice little closet, they got our little slippers and a safe and a robe, one robe. Very nice. Wow, like, look at the TV all framed up. Shoo, dresser. And then, you know you got it good when you're stepping down into the living area. Oh, we got a phone call. Friend Raven is spoiling me rotten. Oh my gosh. So this room is just amazing, and another TV. And the lady at the front desk did warn us that all the things are weighted, so be careful what we move around. Otherwise you get charged a lot of money for things. Now the piece de resistance. Do you know what that is out there? It's the new sphere. Hoo-ha! So we will get a peek of that. Let's see if I can move the blinds out of the way for a little bit. And right now they've got some stripes going around on it. This is amazing. What a view. That's extra for this, but she waved it for us. Ooh, that's nice. Airplane flying over. What a view they would get. I see little Z's on it. It looks like a little guy sleeping. That is so cool. We'll get some more video though later. Of course, with it all lit up here at night. Oh, it's got a little eyeball looking around. Very neat. How fun. Excellent room to start this amazing adventure vacation. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Very nice, thank you, Raven Jade. Woo-ha. Awesome room. Oh. So turn the light out to see the sphere, and I know they have a little night light on the step. Isn't that cute? You don't bust your butt, man. Sounds like a plan. So there is the sphere, lit up in all its glory like a big ocean. That was cool. Very neat. There we go. Look at that. Alrighty, breakfast in the room. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So Raven Jade got breakfast for us. Scrambled eggs, bacon, a little biscuity bun thing. It looks like, a roll. I got hot chocolate with whipped cream and some toddy, grapefruit juice because I'm toddy. And then I had the fruit bowl too instead of toast. So yummy, yummy, yummy. And I'm gonna get to it. Yum, yum, yum. Isn't this cool? We went looking for the butter and we found it in these little tubes. How cool is that? The butter on this lovely toast. And it's a little partially softened. So it's really nice. I was like, wow, I've never seen that before. Cool. Little things that just make you go, aw.